result from the final between Glenmore and Denton that finished in penalty kicks. Denton moved on to the 4-2 advantage. Excelsia and Tivoli. The winner of this one also moved on to face Denton in the Alley Cup final.
Are you serious right now? What's you guys in chat now? I can't believe. Are you serious right now? Too bad. Seriously.
Can't say anything, you know.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the second final between the two Manning Cup teams. Excelsior.
Going already. Welcome back to Excelsior High School for semi-final action in the Alley Cup. This semi-final between the Manning Cup teams, Excelsior and the Tivoli. Let's see how they deliver in this particular matchup. Excelsior, they look silky smooth in their quarter-final matchup against Camperdown. Tivoli Gardens weren't as smooth, but they got the job done via penalties. Let's see how this one goes. Here's Wizard, the captain for Excelsior, playing it forward. Scott is there, plays it over! Oh yes! Oh yes! Kimali Scott! He's that man! And much is expected for him, from him, in this Manning Cup season. And with that deft touch, he justifies the billing. Excelsior off to a flying start. Oh, the Alley Cup. What can Tivoli deliver now? Tivoli has a free kick. Ball sent in a dangerous area. It's a corner kick. Taken quickly. Here's Francis. Whipping it in the area. Keeper has to come. Punches over the top. Jamari Gordon equal to the task. It's another corner kick. And Tivoli. Oh, they seem excited. Here's the delivery to the back post. Headed back towards goal.
Excelsior goal scored by number 9, Tivoli Scott.
Here's Tivoli. Carr keeps it in play. Dave Campbell chasing, but Wizard got in behind him, got the shot off, but was under so much pressure, didn't have the bearings on it. Here's Carr. Good work from Prince. Chambers. Chambers with the throw in. Campbell with the goal. Duty is for Tivoli now. Plays it forward. Jamari Gordon. Ball sent forward by Bethune. Johnny Smith trying to get that one to Goalburn. Wizard with a lovely pass to Salmon. Monroe. Williams. Thomas all the way to Kane. Salmon dispossessed on that occasion. Going the other way now. Francis played forward.
Keep on in the back.
Gober. Smith. Johnny Smith. Good movement for Tivoli now. Not the kind of final action that I'm sure Christopher Nicholas, the Tivoli Gardens head coach, would like. Kimari Scott could control that one. Wizard! Oh my! That deflection definitely took it off target. And he's been such an instrumental player for Excelsior. The captain, Shadiko Wizard, part of the national under-20 setup. Had a good back end of the season with Arnett Gardens in the playoff segment of the Jamaica Premier League. Quite often, in my observation, a few players who take part in the Premier League don't stamp their class at the schoolboy level, but by the looks of it, Shadiko Wizard could be set to stamp his class. Had a scorcher of a goal in the quarterfinal. Here's a corner kick by Salmon. Sent in the area. A good try that from Terrence Williams, the number 8. Part of the midfield pivot for Excelsior. Wizard, unbothered by that. Salmon laid on a platter for Salmon. Normally you eat salmon, but he's having a bite of the cherry this time. Salmon. Perhaps they're making it short for Excelsior. And they look so organized and efficient. It was really laid on a platter for salmon, and normally salmons are on platters. Tivoli Gardens, they'll have to fight for this one. Prince doing well to hold off the advance of Tivoli. Tivoli though, still having possession, giving it away. Here's Chambers, trying to find Scott, intercepted by Dave Campbell. Good movement by the number 11, that's Sanjay Sinclair. Had to be played out by Antoine Thomas for Excelsior. It's a throw-in for Tivoli taken. Roxroy Kane stepping over. Gets the ball and sends it forward. Too much on that one. Throw-in taken. Good work from actually Monroe. Yes, it was. Ball sent wide. Salmon with the handball. Dave Campbell with the delivery. Had to be punched away by Jamari Gordon. Love it when a goalkeeper has that command of his area. And we can't ignore that pile. We shouldn't never ignore such a moment of skill. But Excelsior though, they have the ball in their possession. It was Sinclair with the pile. Referee alerted that Jamari Gordon, the custodian for Excelsior, is down. Of course, play can't continue unless the goalkeeper is fully fit.
Working that rookie with the father. You know what?
Yeah, Steve. Could be that the goalkeeper will be stretched off. Doesn't seem able to continue or to get up on his own volition. Yeah, the call for the stretcher being made. Perhaps he'll be able to walk off. Did have that lunge forward where he commanded the area.
Substitution for Tivoli. Number 3 out is Sean Carr. On the field, number 16, Deshaun Mosby.
So, change being made by Tivoli. Deshaun Carr exits the field of play. The number 3. Entering Sean McBean. He wears the number 16 kit. Of course, a change in goal for Excelsior will give you the confirmation of that individual. Looks to be Sean Salmon entering the goalkeeper position for Excelsior. Excelsior.
And we're on the way.
Already having a 2-goal cushion, courtesy of a strike from Kimali Scott and Kevin Salmon. Antoine Thomas putting that one forward, goes out of touch. It's a throw in for Tivoli. It was an offside. Prince committing the infraction on that occasion. Captain with the delivery. Francis sends it in the air. Dave Campbell getting the shot off. Sean Salmon equal to the task. Sent in the area. Scott almost got ahead to it. We've gone for a corner kick. Here's the delivery. Headed away. Terrence Williams was on the ball on that occasion, but Ian McGowan has seen enough of the first half.
30-second water break. 30-second water break, and then we turn around. Score at the half.
At the half, 2 goals for Excelsia.
0.
Only 1 goal, well, none, rather, for Tivoli. Goal scored by Kimani Scott and Kevin Salmon.
The earliest semi-final of the Costa Cup grouping was between Glenure and Denton, where Denton advanced on penalties and await the winner of the Manning Cup bracket, where the semi-final is being played here at the moment between Excelsia and Tivoli.
Getting ready for second half action. It's really coasting mode for Excelsia, or they can coast if they want. Always a test of the mettle of the team, in control and still keeping their intensity. Let's see if they're able to do that in the second half. And they have what is presumably a safe cushion, 2 goals. And Tivoli hasn't really done much to indicate that they'll threaten. That's all conjecture though. 15 minutes in the second half will decide. Salmon with a safe pair of gloves. Sends it forward.
Second half.
Terrence Williams.
Semi-final of the Manning Cup group between Excelsior playing in green and Tivoli playing in
Prince was under lots of pressure. Lost out in the end. It's a throw-in taken quickly. A bit of onshore defending from Antoine Thomas. Hesitated. Did attract the high boot of a Johnny Smith. Perhaps it wasn't a Johnny Smith. Looks to have been Dan Vanille Moulton. Salmon with the booted clearance. Prince. Still Prince. Dave Campbell able to clear. Sinclair. Moulton. Malachi Rose gets it to Ryan O'Neill Francis. Sent into the area. Bethune played it out for a goal kick. Made that a corner kick. Here's a corner kick taken, headed away. Could have been number 10, Monroe with the header. Actually, it was Kimani Scott scored the first goal with that defensive header. Here's Tivoli. Francis. Straight to goal. Easily held by Sean Salmon. Rockstar McCain trying to get the ball for Excelsior. Plays it forward for Salmon. He gave it away. Francis. Goburn. Moulton rather. Got the shot. Took a deflection. And it's out for a corner kick. Ryan O'Neill Francis with the corner kick. Francis was offside. Here's Tivoli. Can they convert? No, they can't. Sinclair unable to get the crucial touch. Here's Excelsia. Trying to go forward with Monroe. Strong gust now. Here at Excelsia, the cloud coverage has been significant as well. I don't mind from a temperature perspective, but the chance of precipitation certainly has increased. Some experts of the climate conditions here at Excelsior say that there won't be rain here. Let's see if their prognostication is correct. We're standing by for the Masters matchup. Excelsior Masters versus St. George's College Masters. That's a part of the Love in the House matchups here at the 2024 Anna Cup. Here's Wizard. Goes to Williams. Scott on the ball. Doing well. Oh, this is good. Kimani Scott had perhaps a few touches too many and lost possession of it. Has to apologize to his teammates. Header out. Wizard can't keep it in. Plays it off and does get the throw in. Takes it quickly. Scott fouled by Dave Campbell. This is in a very advantageous position for Excelsior. Can they make it 3?
The team left.
Monroe.
No.
Perhaps he's going that direction. Further west. Salmon. Not being there had a slip and gave Salmon the opportunity to get in the proceedings.
All Excelsior boys participating in the Masters game, please report over to the opening launch open. All Excelsior boys participating in the Masters game, please report to the open launch open.
Here's Excelsior once more. Play broken up. Ball sent forward trying to find Francis. Good work from Terrence Williams. Francis, can he strike from 30 yards? No, he can't. you're hearing gunshots, nothing to worry about. The range is in the vicinity of Excelsior High School on Mountain View Avenue. Antoine Thomas there, showing a lot of fight. Here's Scott. Gets around, gets it in the area, not cleared. Wizard was there trying to work some magic, but here's Francis now trying to clear for Tivoli. Sends it forward. Big switch of play. Sinclair in chase. Can't keep it in. It's a throw in for Excelsior.
Hook him up.
Go, Saka!
Change getting ready to be made for Excelsior. Kivan Salmon scored the second goal. He exits. Spencer comes on for Excelsior. Moulton exits for Tivoli, and number 21 entering the field of play. Jamal Williams will confirm the name.
We'll lose him.
Two minutes to go. Immediately following this game is the massive game between George's Old Boys and Excelsior Old Boys.
Wizard, wide. Good movement from Prince. Shakes and shifts his man. Here's Monroe. Has the razzle dazzle as well. Oh, good work. Can he get the cross? Oh, the crowd is loving that. Not sure if the coach loves it as much. Good movement from Excelsior. The shot doesn't have the quality of all the build-up to that final action. That's the final whistle. Excelsior through to the final. They'll face Dintil, and they will decide the Ali Cup. Excelsior dismissing Tivoli 2-0, 2 first-half goals in an impressive first-half display, especially, and deserved winners. The Masters. The Masters matchup comes up in a short while. St. George's Old Boys versus Excelsior Old Boys. We'll join the action shortly. Following that, we'll have the Ali Cup final, Dintil and Excelsior.